told you that he's here to hold you through the night. I know mommy's not here right now, we don't know why. We feel how we feel inside. It may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise mama's gonna be alright. It's funny, I remember back when you and daddy had no money. Mommy wrapped the Christmas presents up and stuck them under the tree. This is somewhat of more from me, cause